Have you ever been confused when you're opening your Insta360 camera files on your computer? This video will explain how it works. Download software Insta360 Studio. We recommend that you install Insta360 Studio in advance before editing 360 footage from your Insta360 camera. Storage file formats. When using an Insta360 camera such as an X3, it will make two video files that end in INSV and a preview file that ends in LRV. The INSV files are the original, separate videos from the two camera lenses. When saving these, you have to copy both INSV files at the same time. Ensure you don't delete or rename them because then the system won't be able to identify them correctly.
The LRV file is a lower resolution video made by the 360 camera, so you can quickly check what you recorded. The Insta360 Studio shows you a fast preview of your 360 videos only if this LRV file is there.
Read file. When importing files into Insta360 Studio, just click on any INSV or LRV file. Insta360 Studio will then automatically figure out which 360 video they belong to by itself. After that, you can edit the video and export it.